Good morning, you beautiful people. Another beautiful morning today. But today we've got to pack and then get over to this new place. I'm quite excited to show it you all. I think you'll like it. It's a very, very nice place. Probably the nicest place I've ever stayed in my entire life. So yeah, I'm quite excited for that. Wake up on the balconies in the mornings and stuff. So yeah, that's the day. We've got to lug this three-wheeler suitcase instead of four because it fell off. So we need to take that with us. And then, yeah, the plan today, get up, have some breakfast. I'm going to do, like, the washing my bedding and stuff, because Ben and Jen are such nice people, and it's their house, so I want to help out, and just, like, they've done a lot for me, like, helping me find my feet and stuff while I'm here, so I'll repay that favour, clean, tidy up, have some breakfast, pack up a little bit, and then, yeah, we'll get moving to this new place. We've got some forms to fill out for, like, the new job and stuff as well, so I need to get them filled out this afternoon, because I think that starts on Monday next week, so I'm waiting on confirmation email from her, so I'll give you an update when that comes through later on today. And, yeah, just another day in paradise, really. Taking another step forward towards those dreams and that, so, yeah, I'm going to sort of just sit in the sun for 10-15 minutes, wake up a little bit, and then we'll get cracking with breakfast and some cleaning and tidying and stuff. And then, yeah, I'll catch up with you when we're ready to leave. I can't believe it, it's all coming together. I've only been here 8 days, and sometimes like I put too much pressure on myself as a person. I'm like, oh, you need to be doing this, you need to be doing this. But we've definitely done a lot for the first 8 days, and we're making the right paths and that. And yeah, the only focus is obviously trying to make sure that when Nads comes in January, I've got everything done, like foundation, job, all that kind of stuff. So she just comes and gets to just sort of like enjoy that easy life when she gets here, and I get to show her around. So yeah, she's my motivation at the moment. And yeah, let's smash another beautiful day in Australia. Come on. Hey, there we go. Ben's just dropped us off at the train station, so yeah, I got his number and that. We'll keep in touch. If you're watching this one, Ben and Jen, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for making like my entry and that here so calm and peaceful and just good people, so I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. We're all packed up now. We just need to head to the new place. We're at the train station, so yeah, I'm just gonna go get the train into the town. Shout out to Josh for this one to keep the sun off the head, sorry. And yeah, let's get moving. Let's get to this new place and I'll show you around. Hey, there we go, made it. Just looking at a suitcase everywhere and the wheels are bust on it, but yeah, we made it in the end. I just got here now, so you can see a little bit of the outside. It's a very nice area and place, so this is where we are till the 3rd of Jan. And yeah, I'm going to sort of like settle in, I'll show you around a bit. And we need to go to the supermarket, get some food and that kind of thing, and get my bearings while I'm here. So yeah, at least we've got somewhere to go till Jan. And yeah, I'm going to unpack, sort a few bits out, go get some food, and then just sort of settle in a little bit. And then we've got to jump on the laptop because we got a phone call earlier this morning. Got a good job opportunity for tomorrow. It's like a marketing agent for like a sports company doing sales and things. So we got that at 11 AM tomorrow, so we need to prep for that one, figure out how to get there. So yeah, things are moving today. Today's another good day. But yeah, it'd be nice to unpack and get on top of things and go from there. So yeah, I'll see you guys after that. Right, first stop, go and get some food, fill up the fridge a little bit and then get something to eat because I am starving, and then we'll unpack. So yeah, let's go to the supermarket. There's even some horses and that here just outside, check this. Such a beautiful area, yeah. Anyway, let's go get food. Right, we're just chilling. We had a walk around like Coles and Woolies. Some of the food is like so good. That's the thing about Southeast Asia, is so cheap you end up eating out, but the quality of food's definitely not as good as like the UK or here, for example. So things like cheeses are so expensive there, they're all imports. You don't get like real bacon. So yeah, walking around these supermarkets, getting excited. But we're just gonna go quickly have a snack just now, just a sandwich from the petrol station, just get something in. We'll go Coles and just pick up something for dinner tonight, and then we need to get back because we need to get this prep work done for this job tomorrow, because it's a good opportunity, this one tomorrow. So I want to put some effort in for that, get some editing done, and then yeah, just lock in and get a few bits on a laptop and then unpack as well. So we'll come back tomorrow with like the big bag, so then that way I can chuck stuff in a bag and I'm not like lugging stuff up the road. So yeah, bit by bit we'll get there. So have a little break just now, Coles, and then back to the new place, and then I'll show you around a little bit. It's very, very nice. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's keep moving. Hey, there we go, something quick and easy for dinner, chuck it in the microwave, and then something for breakfast in the morning, get something in before we go for this interview. And then I'll go to Aldi tomorrow. I used to shop in Aldi in the UK and it was like my favourite supermarket, and there's one about a mile that way. So we'll probably just go over there tomorrow once we've unpacked and take like the big bag with us, and then that way we can get like a nice little shopping. But yeah, that'll do for now. Now we're heading back to the place, and then yeah, we'll get cracking. Do a quick little grounds tour since we're back now and there's no one here. So this side out here we've got like a little decking, and then a pool and a big garden, and then we've got like big massive kitchen and open area as well, so like loads of cooking space. You've got a living room down here with a pool table and all that in it, and then that's the end foyer over there, and then upstairs is where all the rooms and everything are. But obviously I want to respect people's privacy as well at the same time, so yeah, I probably not show you like all that bit. I'll show you the room and stuff in a minute. I'm going to drop this stuff from the bag in the fridge and freezer, and then we'll head upstairs and unpack. Alright, sweet, let's unpack. Hey, sorted, nice and easy, tidied, everything's in the wardrobe. Got a nice little office space, clean and tidy. I need to get some bedding and some pillows. Sean did say to me his pillows were ruined, and I need to pick up some bedding, so we'll go out and do that later on. Hey, there we go, back in the room, just catching up with people and that in the flat, just getting to know everybody that's here. Some nice people around here as well, so it'll be good to network and meet some people. But yeah, the rest of my day is basically going to be quickly having a look, see if we can find somewhere to get some bedding for tonight. Maybe nip out and get that done. I've got one video that I need to get done before I go out anyway, just to make sure my client work is done, and then I'll be coming back and basically sitting here locking in for the rest of the evening. I've got business work to do, I've got 2 of these vlogs to edit for you guys, one to get out tonight as well, and then a little bit of prep for this interview tomorrow. Hope it goes well. It's a good opportunity for a job, good job. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, the rest of the day is going to be a little bit more chilled out now that we're in, we're settled, we're unpacked, which is nice. First time I've had all my clothes out of the suitcase in a while and actually hung up in a wardrobe. So yeah, we're getting there bit by bit. Definitely feel like breathing today, and yeah, beautiful place, beautiful environment, good people around us. So yeah, we keep moving. I'm just going to do this now and then figure out where to get some of this bedding, get this edit done, and then we'll go and get some bedding, come back and finish off for the day. Right, sweet, there's our Kmart and a Target like half an hour that way. We need to go and get the bus, so we'll go and get that done, get some bed in, and then we can come back and lock in. So yeah, plan, let's go. There we go, we're back. Managed to get some pillows and bedding, so let's get the bed made, dinner on, and then get to work. All sorted, dinner's done. Got a mac and cheese here, that loaded mac and cheese from earlier. Just gonna get this down and then just get on working. So I'll probably just end this video here. It's been a long day, I'm absolutely shattered. We've done loads as you've seen, and moving's like a big stress, so at least we're unpacked, ready. I've got 3.5 weeks here, which is good. Got the interview to get sorted for in the morning, so yeah, I'm doing nothing but sitting behind this laptop for the rest of the evening. It's currently 7 PM now, so yeah, may as well just wrap it up here, and yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow for the interview. Come on.